Hello guys, so in the last poll of the last video I made on biology instruction, you guys said that you want me to teach Spanish next. So what I'm going to do is obviously teach you Spanish. So if you want more Spanish videos, answer the poll I'm going to put right now. It should be in the top right corner. So yeah, answer the poll. If you say yes, then I guess I'll make more Spanish class videos, lesson 2. And answer the other one if you don't. So yeah, I'm going to get started. I think the main thing you want to know in Spanish is the numbers first, because everyone knows hola and like como estás. Everyone knows that. So we're gonna be learning numbers. So one would be uno. I think a lot of people know that too. Two would be dos. You might know that one too. But here's where it gets tricky. You might not know this one. So tres. I don't think most people would know tres unless you're a Spanish speaker, obviously. Again, 4 would be cuatro. 5, cinco. So yeah, it just keeps going. I'll tell you the first 10, then we'll go through the 2 all the way to 100. We're gonna do that this video. This will be lesson 1. So yeah, 6 would be seis. 7, siete. 8, ocho. 9, nueve. 10, diez. So even though there's a Z, you still pronounce it as an S. So DS. Now 11 gets tricky. Actually, no, not really. It's just once. So yeah, it's weird. Then doce. Trece. Catorce. Quince, which is really weird. Now 16 is where it changes up a little bit. Instead of just being one word, it's technically like 3 words combined into one. So you do DS, except with the C this time, and put an I for like and put 6. So seis. Diez y seis. Now, I don't know why it's like this, but this is just how Spanish is. So yeah, diez y seis. So then it keeps going. Diez y siete. Oops. Diez y. It keeps going until 19. So diez y ocho. And diez y nueve. Oopsies. Okay, now 20 is different. As until 10 was completely different from everything. So every 10 is different. So this one's gonna be veinte. So after veinte, it would be 21. Why does it keep doing that? Veinte, 21. So it would be veintiuno. So instead of veinte, it's veinti and then uno, because it's like the last one, diez, except there's not an actual letter, just replaces the last letter. So then it keeps going, you know, how you would expect it. Veinti, dos, 23. Keeps going. I'm pretty sure you guys know exactly what those would be. You can guess. I'm not gonna waste time of this little lesson to tell you. So 29 is the same. I'll do it again. Veintinueve. Oops. So 30 is different again. It would be treinta. That's 30. Now, from 31 and on, it becomes the same pattern on how to say the numbers in between of every 10. So it would be treinta, and then the Y, which means and then uno. So then, again, it would be treinta, treinta y dos. So then it keeps going, basically just this is the key word. I'll highlight it for you. This is the key word you want to do for all the 30s at least. And this is the same pattern. You just say the 10 and then Y and then the ones place number. So I'll do it again. If you do, hold on, let me copy this. So just do this and then tres now, since it's 3. And do this again and be cuatro. That's 4. Now you guys get it. It keeps going till 4. And 40 is different, obviously, because every 10 is different. So it'd be cuarenta. So then, same thing. You just do cuarenta y for all of them, like the last one. Uno y dos. You guys get it. It keeps going until 50, obviously. So by now, I'm not gonna do all the ones in between. I'm just gonna give you all the tens. So 50 would be 50. 60 would be that's not going to be on the thing. Oops. Yeah, it's not going to be on sync, but 60 would be 60. 70 would be 70. Oops, 70. 80 would be 80. 90 would be 90. And 100 would be 100. So yeah, it keeps going after 100, but yeah, this is basic Spanish. This is all the numbers you need to know. So this is it for lesson 1. If you guys want to get more Spanish lessons, or if you want another lesson, just answer the poll I put up at the start of the video, or you can comment down below. So yeah, if you want to learn more numbers, comment. If you don't want to learn more numbers, want to learn something else, then comment that. So yeah, I'll see you next lesson or video. Bye guys.